Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from -1 to 1 of e to the 2x minus 2 dx, and we have to evaluate this definite integral. Well, to do this, I'm going to find just the integral first. I'm going to use some u substitution. So I'm going to set u to what's in the exponent, 2x minus 2. My du then is just a 2 dx. So I'm going to rewrite this as the integral here, right? We can see, here's my u, and my, well, du we almost have, right? We have a dx, we need a 2. We need to put a 2 there. So if I put this as a 2 on the outside, all right, or sorry, a 1/2 on the outside, 2 on the inside, okay? So we put a 1/2 on the outside of the integral. That will counteract the 2 that's going to be on the inside to be the du, right? And then we have e to the 2x minus 2 dx. Now notice I'm not putting it from -1 to 1. I'm just trying to find what the integral is first here. So I have a 1/2 here. Let's write it in terms of u. The integral, now we have our du is 2 dx, and we have a u is 2x minus 2. So we have e to the u power du right here. Well, what's integral of e to the u du? Well, that's just going to be, we have 1/2 here. Integral of e to the u is e to the u plus c. If we want to plug x back in for u, we have a 1/2 e now to the 2x minus 2 plus c. Okay. We're going to take that knowledge here and we're going to apply it to our definite integral. So we have a definite integral of 1/2 e to the 2x minus 2, but instead of the plus c, remember we're doing this from -1 to 1. That's our b value and our a value here. This is going to be the f of b, b being a positive 1, getting ahead of myself, or behind myself here, minus f of a -1 here. Okay, so now we're just going to plug those values in for our x value here. So doing that, we have 1/2 e to the 2 times a 1 minus 2 power. Minus, same thing, we're plugging -1 in. So we have 1/2 e to the 2 times a -1 minus 2 power. From there, we need to, well, simplify here. So f of 1, plugging 1 in here, this comes out to be a, approximately here, this whole thing, this answer is going to be approximate here, but as a decimal. A 0.5, not the first part, but the second part. Plugging that in, -1 in, we get a approximate a 0 for f of -1, 0.00916. So we round this out and we get an approximate answer of 0.491. Okay? So our integral from -1 to 1 of our function is approximately a 0.491. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.